Hello everyone, if you like my videos, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I'm going to unbox another product that I've ordered from Amazon, and this time it's a bathroom product. It's a mirror with a cabinet space. So let's get ahead and unbox the product, and then I'll show you how to install the product as well. Thank you. Okay, so this is the product that I've ordered from Amazon. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. It's Parasnath bathroom cabinet with mirror. Okay, let's unbox the cabinet. Okay, so this is the mirror. There's the whole cabinet. Let's go ahead and remove the tapes now. Okay, so this is the mirror. This is the cabinet. Okay, and this is how it will get connected to the wall with the screw. One screw here and another screw down here. I will show you with the back. There is a magnet here and here for closing. Here you can keep your toothbrushes and everything. So this is how it gets connected. One screw here and one screw here will go into the wall, and this will then stick there. Looks like a decent product. Enough space, nice big mirror, and the magnets for the closing mechanism are also not bad. There's a space here to keep a soap or anything you want to. So now let's go ahead and put it in the bathroom. Okay guys, so this is how I've connected the screws. Now I just have to, this was there earlier for the different mirror. Now I just have to put the mirror set here, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so that's how it looks when connected, and this is how it looks when it's open. So there are different sections to keep different things. It's not movable, but I think you can at least keep a couple of shampoo bottles and everything here. It's quite good. I wouldn't say it's like the bestest of them, but still not bad. Great. Thank you for watching the video guys. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. That really motivates me to make more such videos. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.